Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Road King, and this is in Mysterious Red. It also has a bunch of beautiful chrome on here. This bike was definitely garage kept, very well maintained, cleaned often. We've got the rider and passenger floorboards, locking saddlebags. We have the quick disconnect system for the the passenger backrest and for the luggage rack. We also have a rider backrest, and we have those highway pegs up front too. Miles are low. We are at 12,290. And this is a 2014 Road King. This one does have ABS. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.